Hey everybody, welcome back to the YouTube channel. So I ordered this, a lightsaber, if I'm pronouncing it right. So I was going to do an unboxing. I got this on Amazon, but it doesn't come pre-filled. So you have to order butane, if I'm pronouncing that right as well, fuel to put inside the lighter. Now the reason why I like this brand, it was not cheap, but there's a reason why I went with this one. So I've bought a couple of these, because I'm old, and I'm gonna show you guys right now. So this comes with a metal tip. All the older stuff, or the new stuff that's coming out, is still coming out with plastic. The metal ones are the best, and it works. So with the plastic ones, I've had bad luck with this one. I tried to use one of the adapters, which I never knew that that's what they were, but now I found out that, yeah, these are adapters. The adapters don't work. Just put metal in the back of this and it'll work. If I can close it now. There you go. So we're going to see if I can do this one hand. I want to show you guys what it says there. So yeah, this lightsaber, if I can do it with one hand, stay. Got it on Amazon. It's not cheap, but I can see why it's not cheap. It's good quality. Wow. So it comes with the instructions there. Wow. So I got the red one, which means the flame turns red. It only turns red because of this metal piece. Do not take it off unless you want blue flames. So you can go with one or the other. They do have different colors of the lightsaber. Lightsaber. I went with the silver. They have the all black version. What they did get wrong is this. So it's saying going that way is making the flames longer, which is not. It's the opposite. Going this way is positive. So they messed up that. Again, I know this stuff is made in China. It does have a safety lock, so you can lock it and then you can't press the button. So you take that off, and now you can press the button. Here's where you fill in with that inside of there. And I also got this on Amazon as well. So if you want to, I'll put all the stuff in the description. But this is perfect. I got the 2-pack. I'm planning to use this a lot, even for cooking grill, lighting up fireworks. That's what I'm going to use this for. But I'm going to try to use this as much as I can. It's pretty neat. So this part right here obviously is metal. It has a nice chrome finish. This part right here is plastic. I wish the whole thing was made out of metal. Yes, it would be much heavier, but I think it would be cool if it was metal. But I'm gonna show you guys. Unless I'm wrong. Actually, I am wrong. But you can see it gets pretty up there. So the center is blue, but you can see the top is like all surrounded is red. But it's all thanks to that piece that's there. I think, yeah, see, I knew I wasn't wrong. But so yes, leaving it this way, let's see if we can do it. I think this one is a little defected. Sometime I already ran out of fuel. Yep. Already ran out of fuel. Yep, already ran out of fuel. So again, how you're supposed to do this, I don't know. I'm not gonna probably be able to do this with one hand. So you like this, then you press this down. And I know a lot of that stuff is coming out, but there is no other way. It does get super cold. It says wait 3 minutes before using it after filling up. It gets super cold. That's why I turned that so you can see it. But yeah, so it is going to burn through this pretty quick because of how much fuel is using. It's a jet. Let's see if I get... No, it doesn't want to work. Yeah, see, I don't know. It was working earlier. Because I can hear the... Oh well, we'll be right back. Let me see if I can figure out what's going on with it now. Because it was working perfect. So we're back. So I did have to put an adapter. It's a very skinny one. And then it works. So I used a big chunk of it. Has a little bit left. Like again, this does still take a lot of fluids to turn on. Because how high it is. You can lower that so you're not wasting so much. And it is backwards. I'm gonna see if I can do this with one hand. No, I can't do it with one hand. And I don't got my tripod connected. But let's say, so like barely starts. So you have to, unless I am wrong, because I'm twisting it. I'm wrong. It's the way I'm rotating it, it got me confused. So yeah, you gotta rotate this way and it's positive. Anyways, but yeah, so now it works. And then that center piece right there is what makes it turn red. And then the center is blue. But like I said, it goes pretty high. I mean, it stays pretty straight. Compared to like regular lighters that would try to fold up. You can lower the flame. It can't be too low. It's just not much of a big, I mean, kind of. See how low we can get it. It's still shooting pretty high. Well, that's because I'm going the opposite way. Yeah, so that's as low as I can get it. And that's the highest. Again, it's not too bad. I mean, I like it. You don't got to worry about. Like, it's still there. So I'm planning to use fireworks with this. On top of that, do camping. I just dropped it. Camping, grill, stuff like that. I think it will work perfect. It looks pretty cool. But yeah, I got it on Amazon. Also, this can I got it on Amazon. All this stuff is made in China. Says it somewhere on this bottle. I saw it. Made in China. So everything is made in China. Even this device, made in China. Because we don't got no jobs out here to do none of this stuff. But yeah, so I can't remember how much I paid. I think it was almost $20 for this, almost $20 for this. So on total, it's about $40. And again, to show you, so you use the adapters off of here, and it works. But anyways, guys, if you guys liked the video, put a like. Again, I got it on Amazon, all this stuff. So put a like, subscribe to the channel, put a comment. Everybody ride safe, drive safe. And I hope you guys enjoy your 4th of July. I'll definitely be making more videos coming up. And I'll catch you guys in those videos.